Hello, so Eddie here from Rangsit University International College. So what I'd like to talk about today is EnglishScore. So it's a brand new online English proficiency test from the British Council. All right, so let's get started here. So first, in terms of the core skills test, so this part of the exam will take about 40 minutes to complete. So what it entails the grammar and vocabulary, reading comprehension, and listening. So it will test all of these areas in terms of your English proficiency. Next, so English for the workplace. So this test, what it was originally designed, was to a certificate that you can show your either current employer or future employer to let them know of your English proficiency test. And it is backed up not only by the British Council, but of course by Rangsit University. All right, so how is the test scored? Okay, so what's going to happen is it's going to be scored on you get your English score, as well as you will get your CEFR score. So that's the Common European Framework. So if any of you are familiar with how other standardized English tests are assessed, it goes from anywhere from maybe sometimes A0 all the way up to B1, B2, C1, C2. Okay, so that they'll give you scores that will be accepted by both universities and employers. Advance your career. Okay, so this is something that would be very good to attach to your resume for your future employer, as well as to show your employer about your current English level. That way you may be qualified for any sort of promotions or advancements. And also it is accepted by certain universities for entrance. And that's the case for Rangsit University. Okay, because in order to get into the International College at Rangsit University, you need to have a B2 level. Okay, and so these are one of the tests that this university accepts. Share your success. Okay, so you can very easily share your English level with others. Okay, very easily, because this test, it's to be conducted only on your cell phone, so not a tablet or computer. So very easy, you can share your English score with others. So own your secure certificate. So after you take the exam, so you take the exam on your cell phone, all right, and then when you are happy with your score, okay, because you can take it up to 3 times. Okay, that's a good thing about it. So you can take it up to 3 times, and then when you're happy with your score, you contact us, and then we will print it out for you. Okay, and so it will be a so you can see on the screen here. This is what a typical certificate will look like, and it comes in color. Okay, so the first side has your name, your picture, has your English score. Then it also has your CFR level. Then on the back, it has some different screenshots from your test, as well as again your level, and then it will explain to others who may not be familiar with the CEFR how it goes. I have a short explanation of it. Okay. Now this is the price of the of this test. So it has varying fees depending upon the type of test you're looking for. Okay, so the most expensive one is $50. Okay, so it's going to be about 1,000, I don't know, 700 baht, around that. Okay, but if you join this online English workshop, writing workshop that I will be conducting at my university, designed for Burmese students wanting to enter university here in Thailand. If you complete this 10-week study, it is free. And you know what? Free is a very good price. Okay, so I'm still looking for about 50 more students to join this study. Okay, so I need a minimum of total of 100 in order for me to conduct this study. Okay, so please sign up with the the link and just fill out the Microsoft form. Yeah, and if you've already signed up, please let your friends know, your Burmese friends know who want to improve their English writing skills in preparation for like either this test or an IELTS test. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you in this 10-week study, which will begin the beginning of September. So please sign up now, and you complete the 10-week study, and you get this English score for free. Okay? All right, great. And I look forward to hearing from you soon.